Now, let's talk about reverse proxies. So I'm gonna add here reverse proxy. And reverse proxy as a terminology is not too popular, not well known, but the best example would be a load balancer. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna add a load balancer here. I'll just mark it as LB. There you go. And then I'm gonna add endpoint devices. This will be server A, server B, and server C. There you go. And what else? Most of the time, the load balancer receives traffic from the internet. Okay, now, reverse proxy process the application. What application? These applications are sent from many different sources. Again, one example is the internet. So it processes application, and this application, most of these are requests or HTTP requests that are forwarded to servers. Now, take note, reverse proxies, it's not only load balancing that it can do. There are many different features that it can support, okay, such as caching, optimization. Sometimes filtering is also supported, but again, the most important is load balancing. Now, how does load balancing work? Here's how it works. So this load balancer or our reverse proxy, once it receives the request, it will forward it. It can do many things like inspection, caching, optimization, filter, etc. But the main goal here is to forward the traffic to not just one server, but to multiple servers as well. And one of the reasons why we want to do load balancing, because we don't want to exhaust a single server. So meaning, I'm gonna save some of the load to you, server 1, because I will forward the other traffic, the other load to server B and server C. That's how load balancing works. Now, if we compare reverse proxy to forwarding proxy is mainly used for outbound, securing user devices and user internet connectivity. So I'm gonna add here more for outbound security. While reverse proxy is used for inbound traffic, securing various servers, such as web, API, application servers, and many others.